my name is Dr. Ruchita Batra and today we are going to learn how to make a triangular clasp. So a triangular clasp is made from the 22 gauge wire. So I have a piece of 22 gauge of wire. I have already straightened it and we are going to make a triangle. The triangle should be made at the end of the wire. Try to make the smaller triangle as small as you can make. So we are giving an acute bend for a triangle. Okay. So this is how a triangle should look. I'll just press it once, the triangle between the plier. So this is how a triangle should look in the end of the wire. Okay, so this is the distal, this is the free end of the triangle and it should be distally placed. So it should not irritate the buccal mucosa of the patient. The triangular clasp is made in the posterior region of the jaw and it is used as an additional retention with the other clasps. So I'm going to make this triangular clasp between the two premolars. Okay, so this is how it should adapt in the embrasure. Okay, so now we're going to hold this triangle between the Adam's clasps like this. This is the triangle and we are going to hold this triangle like this. Okay, and I'm going to make a acute bend like this. So it should look like a half triangle. See, this is what it looks like. This is the free end of the triangle. It should be placed distally and this is how it should look like. The triangle in the embrasure, the apex of the triangle in the embrasure, the base is outside and the free end to the distally. It should be distally placed and this arm, it should be given like this. Okay, I'll make this bend more acute, just a little bit. So this is how it looks like. The triangle should be in one plane. Okay, it should not go. So now we are going to give a 90-degree bend here, just here. I'm going to mark it here. And we are going to give a 90-degree bend towards, it should go distally. Should always make sure that the plane should not get changed. So should be like this. Okay, now we are going to adapt it occlusally. We are going to mark it on the occlusal surface two teeth. Can you see the marking just here? Okay, and now we are going to give it a 90-degree bend. The bends of the clasp, they should not be sharp, they should be smooth. So just give a smooth bend, not a 90-degree sharp bend. So this is how we occlusally adapt it. The free end of the triangle to distally, and this is how we adapt it. Okay. Now I'm going to mark here again, and I'm going to adapt it palatally now. So I'm going to cut the extra wire because it's interfering. Don't cut too much because you need some wire to make the tag. Okay, so I've made this mark here, and I'm going to make a bend here. Try to give smooth bends, as I have told before. Don't give sharp bends. I've hold the wire just before the mark, and I'm going to give a bend. Okay. The bend is too sharp and now it's not adapting, so I'm going to open it a bit, the bend. That's why we don't give sharp bends here, because it doesn't adapt properly. So it has adapted now, and this is how it looks like. The clasp occlusally, and for this you have to keep at least 1 centimeter of wire and 0.5 mm for the tag. So total 1.5 mm of the wire should be kept. So it's 1.5 mm. So the 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. So 1 centimeter should be the length of the wire, and 0.5 millimeter will be the diameter of tag. So we'll make a tag here. Check the plane. Check in which direction you are going to make a tag, and then press it. So this is how it looks like. The triangular clasp. Thank you for watching.